This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 13th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather, temperatures remaining above average for the rest of the week and heading into the weekend. We will see an increase in high clouds, however. By next week, a bigger change in the weather pattern looks to take place, cooler temperatures, and maybe a shot at some rain. Finally, let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 82 degrees the high, 62 was the morning low. The normals, 77 and 54. Outside now, here just after 8 a.m., sunny skies out there, 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 34, humidity 36%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, kind of a hodgepodge. 44, the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 47 in Gilbert, 48 Buckeye. Most of us are in the 50s and low 60s. Around the nation, it's still cold in the east. We had temperatures down in the teens this morning all the way into parts of Mississippi and Alabama. They've recovered a little bit into the 20s now. And you see those single digits and teens in the northeast. And here in the southwest, yeah, it's mild. And you can see why on the upper look. There's that big cold upper trough still over the northeast. And here in the southwest, yep, we've got a ridge, and that's not going anywhere for a while. The watch warning map, a number of freeze warnings in the deep south. Otherwise, things are pretty quiet. Speaking of, no thunderstorm areas expected anywhere across the country, let alone severe storms, so we don't have to worry about that. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts, yes, we actually have rain to talk about here in the southwest. Less than 1/10 of an inch for us here in Phoenix. Heavier totals in the favored upslope areas, the higher terrain. But the fact is, we do have at least the possibility of a change in our weather pattern, and we'll explore the details of that now as we look at the models. Check it out. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. And there's our ridge here in the southwest, a dry west to northwesterly flow. So down at the surface, sunny skies, a carbon copy of yesterday. A glorious day out there. We'll be in the upper 70s and low 80s. Tonight, clear, lows in the 50s, and tomorrow, sunny in the morning, becoming partly sunny in the afternoon as we see those high clouds on the increase. High temperatures getting into the low 80s. Friday, high clouds continue. In fact, we'll call the day mostly cloudy, but the sun will still be peeking through. High temperatures in the low 80s, and pretty much the same deal on Saturday with low 80s. Sunday, a bit more sun, highs low to mid 80s, and same deal on Monday. Tuesday, high clouds return. We do have an upper low that'll be sitting off the southwest coast this weekend. That system finally begins to eject toward the east as the ridge gives way. So those clouds will be coming in. Again, they'll be mainly mid and high level clouds, maybe a stray shower in southeast Arizona at that point, and high temperatures in the upper 70s and low 80s. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 20th. We've got a trough now moving through, descending down the west coast and swinging through the southwest states. This run of the GFS not showing much in the way of robust moisture. Still, there could be some widely scattered showers in here, finally, and temperatures would be lower as well. And going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period. Friday, the 22nd. Still indications of an upper low here across the southwest. The timing, the intensity, and the details of this still have to be worked out, but an idea toward more active weather looks likely out here for sometime in the latter half of next week. And we see that as we look at the CPC outlook, the climate outlook for days 8 through 14th, the 20th through the 26th of November. Above average chances of precipitation here across the southwest. That's good news, and temperatures may be lower than normal as well. And that's something that we've been looking forward to for a long time around here. All right, temperatures off the European ensemble through the period. Yes, we remain above average for the next several days, but then you can see once we get toward the 20th and beyond, temperatures really trending down. We could see highs in the 60s and lows in the 40s and 50s. And that looks good. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday.